Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. This is your coach Tahrim Tariq here from the platform of university.org and vjob.org. And I cordially welcome all of you in this new lecture of online tutoring and teaching class. And as you all know, right nowadays we are discussing about all the tools and all the softwares that you people can use as a digital educator in order to create content for your students. For example, we discussed in the last section about Microsoft Word, and nowadays we are discussing about the word processing softwares, for example, Microsoft Word, and in today's video, we will learn about Google Document. These two are the most precise, authentic, and the most common softwares that can be used in order to create notes, letters, and kind of each and every kind of content that is to be provided to your students. Okay, so yesterday we had a great session of Microsoft Word, and right now we are going to discuss about Google Document. So I do always say that Google Document is the mini version of Microsoft Word, and if you are a professional in utilizing each and every tool of Microsoft Word, then you are going to consider Google Document as a very miniature software in order in as compared to the Microsoft Word. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's go through all the tools, all the um, tools that are available on Google Document. Okay, so in order to utilize Google Document services, first of all, what you must have is the Gmail account. Okay, so in the live session where we were discussing about Google Meet, we had a brief description about how to create your Gmail account, and now I'm not going in detail of it because it will take a lot of time in order to create the one. So I demonstrated all of you. If you have not gone through that video, you can check out that video as well, and you will have an idea that how to create your Gmail account. Then if your Gmail account is already created, you can directly log in your Gmail account, and when you log in your Gmail account on the Google Chrome, there can be any of the software, browsing software, and I am more inclined towards Google Chrome because that is more specific to use, that is more easy to use. So I do always use Google Chrome as my default browser, but you can use any of it. Okay, so when you are going to log in your Google account or Gmail account on your browsing services, then in the Google Apps section, as you can see, there are so many services available from Google. And I think it is my personal opinion, like if you have your Gmail account, and if you want to use the Google services, then you do not need any other application in your mobile phones, either in your laptops, because the Google services are more than enough, and Google is providing you a lot of precise, concise, and straightforward services that you can utilize. Even Google is providing you the service of remembering your password, and you do not have to write your passwords in you do not have to write your passwords in separate notebooks, and in anywhere else that is not particularly related, and you do not have to even remember all your passwords, and you can automatically save all the passwords on Google. So this is a very kind of common service that is available from the Google account. Also, if you want to travel somewhere, you can use Google Travel services. If you want to create some kind of forms, you can if some kind of quizzes, and we will discuss Google Forms as well in detail when we are going to learn that how you can create exams for your students as a digital educator. Okay, then if you want to create your lectures, you can use slides, and if you want to go ahead, and if you want to write your own blogs, and you want to provide your blogs to your students, you can utilize Google Blogger, and also you can utilize the Google Books in order to provide it as an educational material to your students. Now, right now, we are going to discuss in detail about this feature of Google services, that is Google Document. Okay, so let's discuss about it in detail. Last in the last session, we discussed about Microsoft Word, and right now we are having the mini version of Microsoft Word, that is what we call Google Document. The major difference between the Google Document and Microsoft Word is that there are so many softwares that are there are so many tools that are available in Microsoft Word. There are a lot of tools, and the major benefit is that they are available offline. But whenever you are using Google document, you must have a strong internet connection stored in your laptops, stored in your mobile phones. Then you will be able to utilize all the tools available on Google documents. Okay, but if you want to utilize the document that you have created on Google, you can download that particular document and save it in your devices for the later on use. And it doesn't matter that you are offline or online, you can utilize them in the both way. Then comes all other tools. So first of all, as we discussed in the Microsoft Word, there are some kind of already as or you can say the ready made templates available on Google document as well as on the Word document. Okay, so from here from the template gallery, you can go ahead, and there are so many categories available for resumes, for letters, and a lot of more and more templates are available in Microsoft Word as compared to Google document. But if you want to add some other ready to go templates in your Google document, you can go ahead on Google and search for the free templates, and you can then just add those templates in your Google Drive or Google document. Then you can utilize other templates of your desirability as well. But these templates are the built-in templates, and they will be available in Google documents. It doesn't matter wherever you are and whatever you do and whatever you want to use, you can create your documents in accordance with these templates. As you can see over here, there is the lesson plans are also available. As you can see, here's the name of the here's the template that are available for creating up some kind of lesson plans. And being a digital educator, they are really more important for you. There are some templates available for class notes, and there are some templates available for your book report, as well as for creating up some kind of essays, some kind of reports of your students as well. So these all are the ready to go templates. And if you want to add some kind of other templates like software licensing agreement, you can click on add on, and when you are clicking on add on, these templates will be available for you on your Google document template gallery. Okay, so there are so many other templates available for brochures, newsletters, resumes, consulting agreements, etc. Though these are the templates that can be utilized. It completely depends on you what kind of content you are providing to a certain person. If you are a digital educator and you want to provide some kind of lesson plans and some kind of lesson content as well, you can go ahead and utilize either Microsoft Word or the Google document. Okay, let's go through one by one. Same is the case with Google document as we discussed in the Microsoft Word. This tab is known as the menu bar, and this bar is particularly known as the toolbar. So this one is the main menu bar, this one is the toolbar. When you are going to click on menu bar, it will appear the immediate tools that are available in that particular section of menu bar on the toolbar. Okay, so first of all, we have the very first option of file. When you are going to click on file, there are certain options available. If you want to open a new file, you can go ahead and utilize that one. If you want to open a certain file that is available in your laptops, in your Google drives, in any of other devices that are being attached with your laptops or PCs, you can open that particular file as well. You can create and make the exact copy of this file as a new one as well. And also, if you want to share this document, you can go ahead and click on share the document. And also, this is the most valuable feature of Google document. Like, you do not have to share this document one by one to each of the student. Then what you are going to do as a digital educator, first of all, click on the file, click on share button. While clicking on share with others, you will have this kind of interface appeared on your screen. Just a minute, it is taking a bit of time. Click on share with others, and when it is going to process this kind of interface will appear on your screen, and you just have to add all the Gmail accounts of your students as well. And being a digital educator, if you are dealing with hundreds of students on daily basis, it is really a herculean task for you as well to share these notes one by one to each of the students. You just have to do is you must have all the Gmail accounts of your students, and you are going to add those Gmail accounts over here, and then you can click on share button. And also, you just have to change the accessibility of that particular document, and then you are good to go. You can share that document with all the students as well. Okay, so okay, so that is why it is not processing. I just have to rename the document before sharing it because it is an untitled document. Okay. um, just a minute, let me just rename it first as a demo file. Okay. So for example, if I want to share it with my all students, as I am currently working as a digital educator. What I'm gonna do is I just have to add all the Gmail accounts over here. As you can see, Aliza Zahra is one of my students. I'm gonna add Aliza Zahra over here. Also, I can add some of my colleagues over here. Usman Jamil is one of my student, and also there are certain students. You can add all the students one by one over here, and then what you are going to do is you just provide them the viewer role, because they are not going to edit anything in your document. But if you are allowing them the commenter document, they are commenter roles, they can provide you the comments on that particular notes, or on that particular document, or the content you are providing to them. Then what you are going to do is if you are providing them the editor role, they are going to they will be able to make changes in that particular document. Okay, so I'm not going to provide and I advise all of you, whenever you are working as a digital educator, I advise all of you to not assign the editor roles to anyone whenever you are sharing a certain document. Okay, so just provide them the viewer rights. And if you are working with some of the colleagues in collaboration, then you can provide them the editor roles. There is no worries at all in that particular case. But if you are working as a digital educator and you are providing the certain notes in order to for the comprehension purposes of your students, then I would advise all of you to just assign them the viewer roles. Then you can add your messages. For example, dear students, I am providing these notes for your better understanding of a certain lesson. Yeah, and you can mention the name of that lesson as well, like this. Okay, so by adding your comments or a message on that particular note, you can click on send button, and this is how you can share the Google document directly from the Google device to all the students that are currently enrolled in your courses. Okay, so this is the exact way that you do not have to share that particular document one by one to each of the student, and you are just adding all the students over here and providing them the viewer rights and accessibility. And this is how they are going to access that particular document. Then if you want to email this file, you can go ahead. If you want to email it with your collaborators, and this option will be appeared only when your document is shared with your collaborators as well. Then you can download it for the offline purposes in any of the file type. There are so many file types available, like a PDF document, Microsoft Word document, etc. It depends on you that what kind of file you want to utilize. Okay, then comes rename. You can do the renaming of the file from here as well. And also in the very simple way, you just have to click on this file name over here, and you can rename it immediately. Then if you want to move it from one folder to another, you can go ahead. You can add shortcut to the drive as well of this document. Then if you want to delete this document, you are more than welcome. And if you want to go through the revision history or the version history of the same file, then you can go ahead and you can click on see version history. And this is how it will provide you the each and every version history over here. And all the versions will be available over here. Like if I'm gonna do a certain change like just a minute ago, it will provide me that particular history as well. Okay, so then you can also make this document available offline, and you can approach it with all of the features available in the offline section as well. Then from the edit bar, you can go ahead. You can do undo, redo, cut, copy, paste of certain text from your Google document file, then you can replace you can find a certain word, and by clicking on control F and sorry control H, because its key is a bit different as compared to the Microsoft Word. Because on Microsoft Word, when you click on control F, you are going to find something or some word, you can navigate through the whole process. But if you want to navigate on Google document, you have to click on control H. Then comes view, and in the view section you can have the mod section as well, like if you want to edit, if you want to suggest, or if you just want to view the content on that particular Google document. Then comes, if you want to have a print layout, you can go ahead, you can preview that particular as well. And if you want to show a ruler, I do always add ruler on my Google document as well as on my Microsoft Word document as well. I can check that particular point, as well as also if you want to add some kind of outlines, if you want to know equation toolbars, non-printing characters as well, you can go ahead. And if you want to have a full screen preview, you can view it in a full screen preview as well. Then comes insert. From insert tab, you can insert anything in your document, like images, tables, drawing, charts, horizontal line, vertical line, emojis, chart, smart chips, etc. So these all are the features available as same as that of the Word document. You can also attach, if you are working as a mathematics digital educator, we have seen that you could have add some kind of equations in the Microsoft Word as well. The same features is available over here. From the special characters, you can add symbols as well, and from watermarks, headers, footers, you can add each and everything in accordance with your desirability. Then from the format bar, you can change the format of your document, like the text, the paragraphs, line spacing, alignments, columns, bullet points, etc. This all can be changed from there as well. And this over here, as you can see, these all are the tools that are immediately available. Like you do not have to click on the tools one by one, etc., but you just have to go through these basic tools. If you want to have, then you can utilize them immediately over here. Then comes tools. From the tools, you can have all these tools available. As you can see, the grammatical check as well is available. You can add citations, line numbers, you can explore your document, you can attach the linked objects, you can explore the dictionary as well. Like all the features like thesaurus, print preview, etc., each and everything that are available in Microsoft Word are available in Google documents, but in the precise and concise manner. Okay, in the extension section, you can go ahead and this only extension is added up over here. And if I want to add some kind of other extensions as well, I can add extensions of Grammarly, I can add extensions of Zotero, EndNote, etc. So these all extensions can be added over here. And this is how you can utilize the whole Google document in the same way, in order to create some kind of content for your students, you have just created content on the Microsoft Word. Okay, now I think you are pretty much clear about how to create content for your students, and what are the softwares that are available for creating up your content. You can create content on Microsoft Word in order to provide notes to your students. Also, you can create content on the Google document in the same way as you did on Microsoft Word, in order to provide notes about a particular topic, about a particular lesson to your students. Okay, so if you have any question, you are more than welcome to ask, and otherwise I would end up the stream over here. I think you people are now pretty much clear about it, but I am just being a coach of online tutoring and teaching, you people are not enthusiastic about this course, because you are not adding your submissions on daily basis, and that is really very disappointing for me, being a coach. And I don't know why you people are just not adding submissions in other courses. I'm not talking about only my course, I'm talking about other courses as well, like digital age life, professional skills, English management skills, business management skills, and also in the freelancing. These courses are even more valuable than this course, like if I say that. So I don't know why you people are not taking those courses seriously as well. So I request all of you to add and complete your submissions of week number 4 in all other courses as well, in addition to online tutoring and teaching. See you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, stay great, good luck.